Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Completed. I've completed the rebuild on this vintage Leslie crossover. And before putting it away, I wanted to go ahead and make this video, show you what I've done. You can go back and look at the previous video regarding how I set everything up. But now things are soldered in place. So on this side, I have the two caps soldered with the white wire. This is the common. And on this side, the long cap is soldered with the black wire here, this side. And that's a 12 microfarad capacitor. This is an 8 microfarad capacitor, and it's coming, the red wire is soldered to it, and that's it right there. So and then of course I showed you how I did these. Just drilled a hole here and here, and used some number 6 machine screws, washers and nuts on there. And this is the other side. And then of course I cleaned that up. Let me do one more thing. One more thing, just want to check that out. Make sure that's tight. Make sure that's tight. Let me get a better. Get a better Phillips. Better Phillips driver than that. Okay, that's good. And so that's ready now. Okay, so I can put this away and go with the next. I think I'll wipe that off and clean that up, and then I'll put this away. So I got some Clorox wipes here, and I'll take a couple of these and wipe that cord off, get that sticky stuff off of there, and then I'll put this away for the customer, because I got another couple of items that I need to build for that's 2 customers items there to work on. So let me get going, and I'm still working on this motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that first. All right, till the next video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, making it do what it do. Getting some work did here in the shop. Peace out.